Welcome. If your Facebook videos aren't playing automatically on your PC, or you've noticed the settings look a bit different after a recent update, don't worry. This quick guide will walk you through exactly how to enable autoplay videos on Facebook Web. First, open your preferred browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another list of options. Go ahead and click on Settings to open your main account settings page. Now that you're inside the settings area, you'll see a list of sections on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Media, then click on it. This section controls how videos and other media behave on your account. Inside the media settings, look for the option labeled Autoplay Videos. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down or toggle. Click on it and select On. This ensures that videos will start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. That's it. Your changes are saved instantly, so you don't need to click any extra buttons. You can now go back to your Facebook feed and enjoy videos playing automatically without having to click each one. If autoplay still doesn't work, double-check your browser settings or internet connection, as they can sometimes affect video playback. And that's how you enable autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC with the latest update.